going going to be continuing our series with LeadsLeap and just working through the training to show you all of the great features that this platform has to offer you. And if you missed my previous video, it is official that LeadsLeap 4.0 is available. And as a result of that, they are giving away free lifetime memberships. So make sure that you are able to get signed up and get your free membership. There's lots of free features that you can get your hands on. And so today we're going to focus on the traffic portion. We'll just continue to work our way down this list in the coming videos. But if we click over this question mark, you can see there's actually two different types of advertising options. The first is credit ads, which is available to all credit members based on how many other offers you click. And then the other is pro ads, which you don't have to accumulate any credit. It's shown in the network 24/7, and this is going to be available if you upgrade to a pro membership, which is about $27 a month. Really, really inexpensive compared to other platforms that are out there. So if we take just a quick look at this post credit ads, you can see I actually had one here myself. And what I was able to do, I had accumulated some credits over the course of a couple months, hadn't used these, but you can see for every person, so one traffic is one person, is equal to one credit. So I just set up a quick campaign with 50 people. You can see that I got 24 hits as a result of that. And you can have up to a total of 10 of these. So they're really easy to set up. You can come in here. In this case, you put in your URL, make sure that you put in a catchy title. What's really nice is there's always these little question mark buttons to give you a little bit of guidance if you get a little turned around. But then you can also add your own ad text. You can come in here, make sure that you do an ad image. It's recommended to find a size of 300 by 250. You can either upload an image, you can come in here and do an upload, or you can just do a copy and paste. If you find something that's out there on the internet, make sure that it fits that size and be able to copy and paste it here directly. And then once you have that, you come in, you pick the type of category, lots and lots of categories. No matter what type of business you have, you can go through and see there is just about anything and everything on this list that you could possibly be promoting. And then once you have that, you can also link this to a social review if you've done one. I've done one for each of my primary businesses. This is just a new traffic opportunity that I've been promoting. And then you can preload the number of credits. So instead of having it go out to all of your available credits, you can just put a preset amount that's right there. Then once you have that, you just hit save and submit, and you're ready to go. On the next video, I'll show you how to do the post-pro ads and all the benefits of being a pro member. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next video.